Hello friends, I Shweta Modi, Assistant Professor in Biyani Group of Colleges, welcome you on behalf of GuruKPO.com. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on environmental degradation. What is environmental degradation? In simple words, if I tell you, is the environmental degradation is the process in which environment is harmed by human beings, or it is harmed naturally. Basically, it is a process through which the natural environment is comprised in some way, reducing biological diversity and the general health of environment. It is a natural or caused by human activity. There are some example of it is divided into two categories. First, it is extreme events and hazards. We all are well known by hazards. Hazards are man-made hazards and as well as natural hazards. Here I will throw light on the natural hazards, and on the other side next is pollution. Pollution is activity which is done by human being. It is also divided in many parts. First I am going to explain you the hazards. Natural hazards and man includes hazards. Natural hazards is the terrestrial hazards. What are the terrestrial hazards? Terrestrial hazards are the natural hazards, or the best example of the terrestrial hazard is a landslide, which is not in the hands of human activity, is a natural process. It is from the internal of the earth. Second is atmospheric hazard. Atmospheric hazard like heavy rainfall, thunderstorm, flood, these all comes under the atmospheric hazard. And the last one is cumulative hazard. Cumulative hazard is also the natural hazard, and it's also human being is not included anywhere. And the next one is man includes hazards. Man include hazards are the physical, chemical and biological. As I have told you, human being plays a very important role to improve the environment as well as to destroy the environment. Here I am talking about the hazard which is caused by human activity. First is physical, chemical and biological. Physical hazards, in physical hazard it comes the disaster which is directly harm the environment, plant, water. And the chemical hazard are the chemical which is thrown out to the industries, to the water and land, come in the chemical hazards. And the biological hazard is the inappropriate ratio of population, increasing of population, decreasing of population. This comes in the biological hazards. Now we will move to the pollution. Pollution is also divided into two parts. First is physical pollution, other is social pollution. The first physical pollution comes the land pollution, and land pollution is a very harmful pollution. Why? Because from land only we get water, plants, through which human being survive on the earth. Water pollution, we all are well known about the water pollution. Water pollution is also a second important thing on the earth. And the next is air pollution. Air pollution is caused by noise pollution, ash coming out from the factories, industries, etc. Next is social pollution. Under social pollutions, three pollutions come. First is population explosion. Population explosion means nowadays population is increasing very rapidly without taking care how many spaces there on the earth. Is there availability of land or not, availability of food or not? Human beings are not even concerned about it. They just do whatever they want. And the sociological pollution. Sociological pollution, in this also human activity is include it also include the cultural activity, it also include the worship activities, it also include their social parties, social elements, everything. Next is economic. Economic population is the population in which the human being not even think what they are doing, what harm they are through their economic, what harm they are giving to the environment. They are not even saving the environment. Now I'll end my lecture by saying that this earth is ours, and this earth is ours, and we have to live on this also. So I request everyone to please preserve it for our future, for our kids, and it is very important for everyone also. Thank you for listening my video lecture. For more detail or more query, you can log on to www.gurukpo.com.